Hey guys, it is Stephanie with Festive Creations, and yes, I am outside because I'm going to show you how I prep my grapevines and pre-paint them for seasons coming up. I'm going to be using some unusual colors. Don't be afraid to go outside of the box. The color that I'm going to use on one of them is called Joshua Tree, and it's kind of a mix between a lime green and I don't even know. Then I have a rustic orange. This is a very popular one for fall. It's called rustic orange. Both of these are a Rust-Oleum product. They're both, one's a matte, one's a satin. I really don't mind either one. Both of them give me a good finish. But step number one, after you pick your color, is make sure that you shake up your cans really well. And of course, you want to paint outside while the temperature is up above 50 degrees, and it's going to maintain that temperature above 50 degrees. If you do not, your paint will not dry as quickly, and it actually can dry sticky. So temperature does make a difference on this. Now, I did shake these prior to going live, so you didn't have to sit here and listen to that sound. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to move my camera down here a little bit. So I use, typically I will bring out a piece of cardboard or something so that I don't discolor my grass. Yes, I know it's only grass, but I get kind of picky. And then also I take into consideration the wind direction. So the wind is blowing that way, and I'm hoping to not have any overspray towards anything important. Let's remove one of these, set one on the ground. Look at that color. This color is amazing. Joshua Tree. And it can really make your design pop. So by painting your grapevines, you can give them a whole new look and outside of the norm. That side is done. Let's try the other color. This works great with glitter paint as well. Think Christmas time, think holidays where the sparkle and shine, the glitter definitely will make a difference in your finished product. All right, so we have let this dry for about 30 minutes. If it's still sticky, it's not completely dry. Just be aware that if it's still sticky, when you flip it over and lay it on the painted side, you may lose some of your paint. It may stick to the cardboard, but this is what it looks like on the opposite side. I try to get as much coverage as possible. And again, it's a personal preference, but sometimes I like the brown to show through. So if this were gonna be a Halloween wreath, guess what? That brown kind of gives it that creepy Halloween feel. So it just depends on what your end product is gonna be like. But let's go ahead and turn this one over. Just keep in mind that you will want to shake your can throughout because the paint mixes or the paint separates, so it keeps the paint mixed. If the paint looks like it's watered down, it's probably because the paint is not mixed well enough. I tend to not use really inexpensive paint like you would get at Dollar Tree or Walmart's cheapest paint. I do have great luck with the Rust-Oleums. It does great coverage and it's not over the top expensive. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and this gorgeous weather. Can't wait to see what you make.